InvestEngine ISA app pricing explained what you get for your money. InvestEngine is a UK-based investment platform designed to make ISAs and other investment accounts simple and cost-effective. Many people assume investing in ISAs is expensive or complicated, but InvestEngine aims to remove both barriers. The app is free to open, and its basic account has no management fees for investments under 10,000, making it accessible for new investors. For larger portfolios, InvestEngine charges a flat 0.25% annual platform fee on balances above 10,000. Unlike some platforms, there are no hidden trading fees, making costs predictable. Most people get this wrong by assuming low fees mean fewer features. The surprising truth is InvestEngine provides access to over 1/200 its automatic portfolio rebalancing and a clean dashboard that tracks performance in real time. For example, you can create a global equity and bond portfolio, and the app will automatically adjust your holdings if your target allocations drift. InvestEngine also offers goal-based investing tools, allowing you to set a target for retirement, home buying, or any financial milestone. The app calculates how much you need to invest regularly to reach your goals, giving actionable insights rather than just numbers. In conclusion, InvestEngine is a low-cost, feature-rich ISA platform ideal for investors of all levels. Its transparent pricing, automated features, and broad investment options make it a strong choice for anyone looking to grow their savings efficiently and effectively.